Hello guys, so for today's video, update lang. Um, level up tayo ng inherit skill. Yan. Meron na akong tatlong Dragon Spine Deed. So, 1%. Tignan natin. Ang attack ko, 14293. 14293. Update natin. Upgrade. 1% damage. Ayan. So, yan na. 14369. So, tumaas yung attack. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Yun lang. See ya!